Hello everyone, I am the the Propria Persona Professional, and I want to talk to you today about a little known program in the state of Wisconsin that Wisconsin residents can use to manage debt. It's something that combines the benefits of Chapter 7, Chapter 13 bankruptcy, as well as debt consolidation loans without the negative effects to your credit, or without having to qualify for a loan, or without having to get permission of the court in order to make any kind of financial decisions, which would be a requirement of Chapter 13. So, this is for people who either have judgments or are being sued, or they have wage assignments or garnishments or attachments or things like that, and they want to manage those, get them to stop so that they can get some sort of financial relief. This program allows you to stop garnishments if they're already occurring and prevent them from happening if they haven't happened yet. So if a creditor is threatening to sue you or has already sued you and obtained a judgment against you and is threatening to garnish your bank account or garnish your wages, or possibly use the power of the county sheriff to get some of your property to help pay off your debt, you can use this program to stop all of those collection actions, okay? To get a hold and a manage on your debt, as well as get things back in order financial wise. This is a program that allows you to choose which debts you want to include in the program. So unlike Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcies, where you have to include all of your debt, and like Chapter 7, where you have to eliminate all your debt and subsequently suffer the hit to your credit score, credit reports, different things like that, or like Chapter 13, that will also negatively affect your credit report. This program doesn't negatively affect your credit like that. This program is flexible, which allows you to not only choose your debt, but choose how long you take to repay it, up to 3 years. If there's a debt that you've included in the program that you no longer want a part of the program, you have the flexibility to remove it from the program. If there's a debt that comes along that not so much comes along, if there's a debt that you previously did not include in the program and now you want to include in the program, you can add it in after the fact. So it provides a lot of flexibility. So as you also know, in Chapter 7 bankruptcies, you cannot discharge things like taxes or government fees, government fines, student loans, child support, alimony, things like that. Well, in this program, because it's not a discharge of debts, but rather a repayment, you can include those in this program, including income taxes from the state and federal government. So if the Department of Revenue, the Wisconsin Department of Revenue, or the Internal Revenue Service have threatened to garnish your wages or garnish your bank accounts or freeze your assets and different things like that, you can use this program to stop those collection actions, and then negotiate a repayment settlement over the course of 3 years. So some of the benefits of this program is the minute you begin it, you can get an automatic stay of any enforcement actions, like executions, attachments, wage assignments, and garnishments. If someone has already levied those against you. Also, you would get an automatic not so much stay, excuse me. The court will automatically enjoin any of your creditors that you include in this program from initiating any collection actions against you, like the property executions or attachments and garnishments and wage assignments. So you can use this program to repay without needing the permission of a court to make other financial moves. You get to choose which creditors that you include in this program. So if you have creditors that you've negotiated a repayment plan or a settlement that is better than what this program can offer, you don't have to include them in the program. But if you have a creditor that is threatening to garnish your wages at 25%, you can include them in the program and have their repayment be reduced to something as low as $20 or $30 a month, depending on the amount of the debt. This program does not have a negative impact to your credit score like Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy. You don't need to have credit worthiness in order to participate in this program. You can have good credit, bad credit, no credit, and it doesn't matter. As long as you're a resident of the state of Wisconsin over the age of 18, you qualify to participate in the program. As soon as you begin the program, it will stop interest, fees, penalties, and late charges, even on taxes and government fines and fees. So if you are under threat of arrest or contempt of court because you can't pay the amount in full as the court is requiring, you can include those items in this program and escape the contempt of court or bench warrant for failure to pay. And finally, again, I want to stress, you get to choose which debts you'd like to include. So if this is a program that sounds like something that would interest you, that would help you out, give you some of the benefits of like Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 protection without any of the negative effects to your credit score, then you might want to give this program a try. If it is something that sounds interesting to you, don't hesitate to get in contact with me, the Pro, the Propria Persona Professional. You can reach me on YouTube through my profile by making a comment under this video. I will put my contact information in the information bar, and you can get in contact with me that way, and I can begin the process with you for as low as $99, depending on which county you live in the state of Wisconsin. So once again, if you want many of the benefits that you would get from a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy without the negative effects to your credit score, then you might want to give this program a try. Once again, I am the the Propria Persona Professional, and I'm signing off. Hope to hear from you soon.